to suck or to be sucked. Protecting Mother Earth from Protecting Mother Earth is a man's responsibility as a shelter of existence. Some are responsible and irresponsible and doesn't care at all. And I still care. Sabi nga ng tito ko, let's protect Earth from cavities. Si Dracula yun nga. Well, by the way, I'm Miss Vanessa Helsing, 48,000 years of age, from the underworld of mysterious vampires, Romania.
Good evening. Mabuhay, Quarantine. Sa aking pagbabalik, ako'y nananabik. Sa aking pangangatawan, ito'y aking pinakaingatan. Upang sa gabi nito'y masasabi niyo pong lahat na ako'y may karapatan. Di po ba? There's a here says that if there's a will, there's a way. And I believe that if God conquered the world, Miss South Africa will conquer the earth. I'm Paula Patricia Canlas, 4.5 years old this color, and I'm very proud to represent from the land of the man's eyes are all in the women's warrior like me. The beautiful, my country, the gold capital of the universe, Sun City, South Africa.
Birds with the same feather flock together, then people with the same gender understand each other. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Standing here in front of you is 19 years of age who hails from the city of Shabu, Pasig City. My real name is Helena Isabella Arguelles, but tonight please allow me to stand by the name of Miss Tarantula Pahada Incarnicova, representing from the beautiful country of Tanzania.
Ang sabi ni Aga, ang plema ay parang palaka na kumakapit sa baga. Wala tayong pakialam doon. Dahil ang tunay na plema ay resulta ng maruming hangin. To make a clean air, plant more trees. To remove your galis, use kachalis. Hangad ko ay sariwang hangin dahil ang baga mo ay hindi ko baga. Sariwang hangin dapat panatilihin para ang baga ko ay maging baga ni rin. Good evening, people of the earth. My name is Fortuna Tabaco, dalawang baga, and I came from the land of Limbo and Calypso, Trinidad and Tobago. Olé! Good evening. Be my baby, come to me and take my hand and be my baby. I did my best, but I guess my best wasn't good enough. Because here we are back when we were before. Since nothing ever changes, and back we're being strangers, wondering if we ought to stay or even walk out the door just once. The gateway of Europe and Asia. Everybody stand! Istanbul, Turkey! Before I leave the stage, I just want to leave a message. Ang batang masipag, paglaki, katulong. Aatin mo ang bahay na bato kung katulong ka lang. Thank you!
Huwag ipagkamali, hindi ako evaporada o kondensada. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. There is a saying that How will you face your problem if your problem is your face? Well, that's not my problem because Bella only touches my skin. Touches yours. Anyway, my skin getting firmer. At ang lines, parang nawala. Anyway, the lines all over the world has been broken. Let us protect the earth. Let's protect yourself. Thank you very much and good night. By the way, God bless America.
In this kind of beauty pageants, there's only one title. And to reach the title, you have to be the best. And to be the best, you have to be yourself. Good evening, people of Fahrenheit. My name is Icy Arguelles, but tonight, please do allow me to stand by the name of Miss Virgin Island. Thank you.
Like fire, let's make ourselves hot. Like air, let's fly and be free. Like water, let's go with the flow of life. And like earth, let's maintain our balance and equilibrium. Distinguished board of judges, my Fahrenheit family, friends, ladies and gentlemen, a blessed evening to each and every one of you. My name is Victoria Court, and I'm proud to represent from the country of hope and glory, Caracas, Venezuela.